Okay, hopefully you successfully complete this exercise. Now I'm gonna go through my own example and we can see how it can work for me. Okay, so if I go to the task name, I can start tape, remove the seating, and can put the pictures in boxes. We can do remove the TV and DVD player, and we go to remove curtains. Then we type paint ceiling. So we paint the ceiling, we paint walls, then we paint doors, then we review room, and we put new carpets fitted, and then we replace TV, we replace seating, then we put pictures, back. Okay, and then now I can go to the duration box and I will just put 3 days for each task. And let me just make this one little neater. Okay, so when I put the days, you can go to the Gantt chart and you see that is started Monday and finish Wednesday. So starting today as a Monday and finish Wednesday, because we have in the timetable 3 days as a duration for each activity. Okay, I would like to put the starting day is as of today. So today is 10 of October, so I mean 19 of October. So this is my starting day. If we see the predecessor, which will link the activities each other, and I don't have to type all the days here all the way down. When I put the predecessor, and the days will automatically show up due to where and which activities is linked to which. So in this case, I cannot start activity number 2 unless number 1 is finished. So number 2 is depending in the finish of 1. And this is what I'm gonna link. So the number of number 1, it's called 1 here, as you can see, 2 all the way up to 12. So I will put here 2, and this will link it with 1. Okay, now we can see that we link all the activities starting from 1. So I cannot start 2 unless 1 is finished, so I go 1 all the way down to 11, and this is how it should look like in the Gantt chart, starting Monday the 19th and finishing Monday the 7th of December. As it's shown here, it's Monday the 7th of December. Now you can see how Microsoft project work in module or manual scheduling mode.